Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and flipping the MacBook onto a soft towel so nothing scratches the chassis. Once done, remove any case and use compressed air to clear debris around the keys. This helps you see clips and stabilizers. Next, slide a thin plastic pry tool under the top edge of the keycap at a shallow angle and gently lever away from the hinge. You're doing this because M3 keycaps snap off at the front first. Slow lifting prevents clipping damage. Once the front edge is free, lift the keycap straight up and away. Do not twist, which risks breaking the scissor retainer. If the retainer stays on the switch, use a pick to carefully unclip one hinge tab first, then the opposite tab. This balances tension and prevents breakage. You want to preserve the retainer orientation since it's mirrored. Take a close-up photo before removal and place the cap, retainer, and any tiny springs in separate, labeled compartments to avoid confusion later. To finish, align the scissor retainer exactly over the switch platform, engage the hinge tabs gently until they click, then lower the keycap and press evenly until it snaps in. You should test key travel and tactile response immediately. If it's mushy, remove and clean contacts with a 90% plus isopropyl swab and let dry. If the key still won't click, make sure the retainer isn't rotated. Misalignment is the most common fault, or swap in a replacement retainer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.